أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Understand Al-Quran, the Course 5, page 6, Chapter B. Study the Surah Al-Baqarah. I'm here because there's a class and I could not spare the class. So, the first juz has been divided into 4 parts and each part has 5 pages. The first 5 pages we studied in QC2 with 37 ayahs, and the second 5 pages we studied in QC3 and they were with 39 ayahs. And the next 5 pages we studied in QC5 with 29 ayahs. And the last 5 pages with 36 ayahs we are studying in this QC5. Inshallah, we will complete 41 ayahs of Surah Al-Baqarah, which has come in the first juz in this QC5. Let's to keep the pointers on the left hand, the 16th page on the little finger, and the 20th page on the thumb. So the pointers for the 16th page, the first pointer is abrogation, the second is don't question, the third is wish of the people of the book, and the fourth is paradise for Jews and Christians only. So let's revise the pointers. Abrogation, don't question, wish of the people of the book, paradise for Jews and Christians only. Once again, abrogation, don't question, wish of the people of the book, paradise for Jews and Christians only. Let's to have the brief pointers for the page 16. Abrogation, question, wish, paradise. Abrogation, question, wish, paradise. Let's to proceed for the second pointer, that is don't question. With the previous ayahs, link is that earlier Allah talked about the Jews of Medina who were trying to create confusion among the Muslims. Allah warned the Muslims and Jews to respect the Prophet ﷺ. Now this is the ayah of the today. Let's recite. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Am turiduna an tas'alu rasulakum kama su'ila Musa min qabl. وَمَنْ يَتَبَدَّلِ الْكُفْرَ بِالْإِيمَانِ فَقَدْ ضَلَّ سَوَاءَ السَّبِيلِ. How do you intend to ask your messenger, as Musa was asked before, and whoever exchanges faith for the disbelief has certainly strayed from the right path. Let's to identify the words in this ayah. Am is a harf, turiduna is a mudari verb, ta is telling, one in the plural, it is arada yuridu rid mazid fi from babi fal. An is a harf, tas'alu, it is actually tas'aluna. An has come and it has moved the noon. So it's mudari. From sa'ala yasalu, it's tas'alu and tas'aluna. So it's a mudari verb, Sallah yasalu, 3-letter mazid, the slasi mujarrad. Rasula is a ism, tum is a zamir ism. So it's a murakkab idafi, mean the relation pair. Kama is a harf, ma is a ism masula, kama as such is a word, letter. Suila is a majhul, madi majhul. The first letter have dhamma, the second had kasra. Fu'ila, on the pattern of fu'ila. Su'ila is majin mazhul. Musa is a ism. Min is a harf. Qablu is a ism. Waw is a harf. Man is a ism masula ism. Yatabaddal ya is telling it's a mudari verb. You remove the ya, it is tabaddal. It's again babe taf'al. The al-kufr is a ism. B is a harf. Al-iman is a ism. B bil-iman, jar majrur. Fa is a harf, qad is a harf. Dalla is a three-letter verb of repeated word. Dad, lam, lam. Sawan is a ism. As-sabil is a ism. Let's have a look on the harf asma and the fa. Am is a harf. Turiduna mudari verb. Arada yuridu. It's a Babe ism. Kama is a harf. Ma is a ism wasula. Su'ila is a madi majhul of Sallah. Musa is a ism. Min is a harf. Qablu is a ism. Waw is a harf. Man is a ism mawsula. Yatabaddal, it's a it's a mudari of mazid fi. Babe taf'al. Al-kufra, it's an ism. Bil-iman, bi is a harf. Iman is a ism. Faqad, fa is a harf. Qad is a harf. Faqad itself is a harf. Dalla is a three-letter repeated verb from the repeated word. Dal, lam, lam. Sawa, look, that is sawa is a ism. As-sabil is a ism. Let's see the lesson from this side. You can ask questions to learn, but not those that are based on rebellion or the obstinacy. Look, the new words in each line. Sifar to sifar. It means on average less than one in each line. Let's go for word and the phrase for phrase translation and the explanation. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Or turiduna, do you wish, and that tas'alu, you ask rasulakum, your messenger, kama, as su'ila, was asked Musa alayhi salam. Min qabl, before. Waman, and whoever, yatabaddal, exchanges, al-kufr, the disbelief, bil-iman, with the faith, faqad, so certainly, dalla, he went astray, tawaun, from the evenness, as-sabil, of the way. The new word here is su'ila. We will have the phrase it. Su'ila Musa. Su'ila Musa. Next, yatabaddal is an iman is a new. We will have the phrase. وَمَنْ يَتَبَدَّلِ الْكُفْرَ بِالْإِيمَانِ. وَمَنْ يَتَبَدَّلِ الْكُفْرَ بِالْإِيمَانِ. So let's go for the explanation. A person asked Prophet to send down the book from the sky or bring the rivers as a proof of prophethood. Allah warned Muslims not to ask such questions. Musa alayhi salam also was asked similar questions. For example, show Allah openly. Rasulakum mean is addressed to Jews too. O Jews, your messenger is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam now. Don't misbehave as you did earlier with the Musa alayhi salam. If one questions Allah or messengers in a wrong way, then he loses the faith. We should not question the guidelines or the commands given in the authentic hadith or the sunnah. Ask a scholar if you have a doubt. So let's take a hadith. Abu Huraira radiallahu ta'ala who reported that he heard Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam as saying, avoid that which I forbid you to do, and do that which I command you to do to the best of your capacity. Verily, the people before you went to their doom because they had put too many questions to their prophets and then disagreed with their techniques or the teaching. Alim, now it's your turn. If somebody kindly revise it. Okay, Bismillah. Turiduna, or do you wish, tasalu, that you ask, Rasulakum, your messenger, kama as Suila was asked, Musa alayhi salam, min qabl, before, Waman, and whoever yatabaddal, exchanges al-kufra, the disbelief, bil iman, with the faith. Fakat, so certainly, Dalla, he went astray, Sawa'ul Sabil, the evenness of the way. Let's to see the lesson. You can ask questions to learn, but not those that are based on rebellion or the obstinacy. Let's to pray. Oh Allah, help us to value the blessings of Islam and the Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Help us to implement and propagate the Islam with the passion and the excellence. Make a simple plan, inshallah. I will ask scholars whenever I have doubts or questions about the Islam. Let's to see the Asma. Rasul, the plural is Rusul. Sabil, plural is Subul. The three letter sound words are kafara, yakfuru, ukfur, kafirun, makfurun, kufrun. Kafara is the root letter, bab is nasar. So these are the 6 keys. Kafara, yakfuru, ukfur, kafirun, makfurun, kufr. Next is weak verbs, the hamza verbs and the repeated verb. Sa'ala, yas'alu, sal. Sa'ilun, masulun, sawalun. Sin, hamza, lam is the root letter, bab is fataha. Dalla, yadillu, dilla. Dalun, dash, dalalatun. Dal, lam is the root letter and bab is dalla is on the bab of daraba. So this is a table of Sa'ala. Sa'ala, he questioned. Sa'alu, they questioned. Sa'alta, you question. Sa'altu, I question. Sa'altu, you all question. Sa'alna, we question. Sa'alat, she question. Yas'alu, he questions. Yas'aluna, they question. Tas'alu, you question. As'alu, I question. Tas'aluna, you all question. Nas'alu, we question. Tas'alu, he question. Is'al, question. Is'alu, question you all. La tas'al, don't question. La tas'alu, don't question you. Sa'ilun, the one who asks question. Mas'ulun, the one is to be questioned. Su'alun, to question. The Amr also come on the pattern with Sal, question. Salu, question you all. La tas'al, don't question. La tas'alu, don't question you all. The next is Dalla. Dalla, yadillu, dilla. Dalun, dash, dalalatun. इस अमर का इदलिल इदलिलु ला तदलिलु दालिन डैश दलाल. Next is the mazid fi arada yuridu arid muridun muradun iradatu. Tabaddala yatabaddalu tabaddil mutabaddilun dash and tadabbalu tabaddalun. Amana yomenu amin mominun momanun iman. Let's see their table. Arada, aradu, aratta, aradtu, aradtum, aradna, aradat. Yuridu, yuriduna, turidu, uridu, turiduna, nuridu, turidu. Arid, aridu, la turid, la turidu, muridun, muradun, iradatun. Tabaddala, yatabaddalu, tabaddil. Mutadabbalun, tabdilun. Or it is tabaddala, yatabaddalu, tabaddil, mutabaddilun, dash, tabaddalu. Ba, dalam is the root letter and bab is taf'ul with ain. A'amana, yu'minu, amin, mu'minun, mu'manun, imanun. Let's go for the grammar. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome to Understand Al-Quran the Easy Way, Course 5, page 16, pointer B. In grammar, we will have the inna and sisters of inna. They are anna, ka'anna, lakinna. The rafa sign is dhamma or double dhamma, and it is represented with the standing form. The nasb is with fatha or double fatha, like this line state. Allahu ghafurun. When we add inna, it becomes inna Allah ghafur. We say Muhammadun Rasulun. Add the inna. What will be the new sentence? Inna Muhammadan Rasul. Hudun Nabiyun. Add the inna. Inna Hudan Nabiyun. Zaidun Saghirun. Add inna. Inna Zaidan Saghira. Sa'adun Kabirun. Add inna. Inna Sa'adan Kabirun. Al-Muslimuna Sadikuna. Add inna. Innal Muslimina Muslima. Innal Muslima Sadikun. The next is Al-Mu'minuna Salihuna. Add inna. Innal Mu'minina Salihuna. Al-Munafiqu Fasikuna. Add inna. Innal Munafiqa Fasikuna. Al-Muslimatu Sadikatu. Now it's a feminine. Add inna. What will be the change? Innal Muslimata Sadikatu. Al-Mu'minatu Salihatun. Innal Mu'minata Salihatun. Al-Munafiqu Fasikatun. Innal Munafiqa Fasikatun. Al-Muslimuna Sadikuna. Add inna. Innal Muslimina Sadikuna. Al-Mu'minuna Salihuna. Innal Mu'minina Salihuna. Al-Munafiquna Fasikuna. Innal Munafiqina Fasikuna. Anna. Al-Baytu Kabirun. Add anna. It becomes Annal Bayta Kabir. Same, if we add kana, Al-Baytu Kabira, what it will be? Kanal Bayta Kabira. Lakinna. Add it with Al-Baytu Kabira, it will be Kanal Bayta Kabira. Allahu Ghafurun. Inna Allah Ghafur. Anna mean that, kanna mean as if or as though, lakinna mean but. Al-Baytu Kabirun. Let's to add anna, it will be Annal Bayta Kabira. The next one is kana. Kannal Bayta Kabira. Lakinnal Bayta Kabira. Allahu Ghafurun. Inna Allah Ghafurun. Write the dua, lesson, and plan individual collectively for the verses in the pointers given 16b. Few lessons, you can ask questions to learn, but not those that are based on the repentance or the obedience. You can ask the dua, oh Allah, help us value the blessings of Islam and the messengers. Help us to implement and propagate Islam with the passion and the excellence. Then, inshallah, I will ask the scholars whenever I have doubts or questions about the Islam. Second question is, what happens if someone questions Allah or his messengers in a wrong way? If one asks Allah or his messenger in a wrong way, then he loses faith. Kama su'ila Musa min qabl, as the Musa alayhi salam was asked before. وَمَنْ يَتَبَدَّلِ الْكُفْرَ بِالْإِيمَانِ, and whoever exchanges the disbelief with the faith. Let's have plural. Rasul, Rusul. Sabil, Subul. Let's have the 6 keys. Kafara, yakfuru, ukfur, kafirun, makfurun, kufrun. To disbelieve. Next is Sa'ala. Sa'ala, yas'alu, sal, sa'ilun, masulun, sawalun. Mean to question or to ask. Dalla, yadillu, dilla. Dalin, dalalun, dash, dalalatun. Mean to go astray. Arada, yuridu, arid. Muridun, muradun, iradatun. Mean to intend. Tabaddala. Tabaddala, yatabaddalu, tabaddal, mutabaddalun, dash, tabaddalun. Mean to exchange. Amana, yu'minu, amin, mu'minun, mu'minun, imanun. To believe. What does inna do to the state of first noun? Explain with the example. Inna converts the state of first noun to nasb state. For example, inna Allaha ghafurun. Plural, Zaid saghirun. Innal Zayda saghira. Al-mu'minatu salihatun. Innal mu'minata salihatun. Al-mu'minuna salihuna. Innal mu'minina salihuna. Write the words which believes like inna. What are they called? Write its examples. Some words, more words behave like inna. They are called sisters of inna. Here are they. Anna mean that. Annal bayta kabir. Kanna, as if, as exchange. Kannal bayta kabir. Lakinnal bayta kabira. So the Jumla failure has 4 parts. Fail, that is just like jalasa, file, that is isme maf'ul, or it have maf'ul, isme mansub, and mutallik fail means the related with the jar. Jalasa fail, Hamidun its file, alal kursi mutallik fail mean related to the fail. Dakhala fail, al mudarrisuna its file, fil madrisati is a jar majrur mutallik fail. Akala fail, al walidane is a file dual. Maful is dajaja. Fil matan in the restaurant. Kara is a verb fail. At-talab is a file. Al-Qurana is a maf'ul. Fil madrisa in the madrisa. Khalaqallahu al-arda. Khalaqa is a verb fail. Allah isme jalala is a file. Arda is a maf'ul. Nasara Hamidun Mahmuda. Nasra is a fail verb. Hamidun is a file, doer. Mahmudun is the maf'ul. Samena al-Qur'ana. Samena is a verb. Na is a zamir ism. That is nahnu. Al-Qur'ana, the Quran. Fatah Zaidul al-Babaina. Zaid opened the door, both doors. Yajaluna asabiyum fi azanim. Yajaluna is a mudari word. Asabiya is a amar. It means there. Or whom mean there. Fi azanim jar majur is related with the verb. We know the ism has 4 forms. One is called case. Just like Rafa, maybe single dhamma, double dhamma, or nasb may be having fatha or double fatha, or jar it might having kasra or kasratan. So this is called the case. It may be at time mahallan or muqaddara. Mahallan means the place where you place, and muqaddara means it's in its faith. Second is gender. Gender means muzakkar, mean the male, muannas mean female. Ism, that is number, just like so the number is singular, dual, and the plural. Then is the kind. Kind means nakra or is marfa. So until unless you know these four aspects of a noun, you cannot understand that noun, you cannot properly translate it, you cannot use it in your writing. So in Islam, four things what are? Case. Case means rafa, nas, jar. Either it's in a dhamma, it's a nas, or it's a jar kasra. The second thing is gender. Just like muzakkar mean the masculine, muannas mean the feminine. Number mean it may be singular, or it may be musanna mean the dual, or it may be jama. Jumla isma is such a jumla or sentence which give full understanding. So that is called jumla ismiya. Jumla failure is such a sentence which start with the verb and give a full understanding. Murakkab is such a compound which gives some meaning but not complete meaning. They join the two nouns, just like murakkab and tawsifi. There are two nouns. One noun describes the other noun. Kitabun Karimun, the book is better or good. Murakkab idafi, there are two nouns. The one noun is define the other one. Kitabullah. Murakkab jari, such compound in which harf jara comes before the last. So fil kitabi. Murakkab shari, in that hazal kitabi, haza is a ismu ishara. So this is ibara. You have to find out the murakkab tawsifi. Remember, in murakkab tawsifi, the two nouns they have all the four qualities similar. Regarding the case, if one is rafa, the other will be rafa. If one is kasra, the other will be kasra. If one is jar, we mean the rafa, nas, and jar. The second will be the similar. Secondly, if one is masculine, the other will be masculine. If one is feminine, the other will be feminine. Third, if one is the singular, the other will be singular. And the one is dual, the other will be dual. If one is the plural, the other will be plural. So regarding the wusat, in the wusat kind, you see, if one is proper noun, the other will be proper. The one is common, the other will be common. So look in there, I will tell only one you. Look, Al-Azizul, Al-Hamid. Both are starting with Alif Lam, Marfa. Both are singular. Both are the masculine. Both are with the kasra. So all the four condition meets. So we can say Al-Azizul, Al-Hamid is a rakabe idafi. Let's have another one. Azabin Shadid. Azab, singular. Shadidun, singular. Azab, masculine. Shadidun, masculine. Azab is common noun. Shadidun, common noun. Azab with kasra. Shadidun, kasra. So all the four condition meets. So we will say it's murakkabe tawsifi. Let's have the next one. Al-Hayatu Dunya. One is proper, other is proper. One is singular, other is singular. One is feminine, the other is feminine. One have a nas, the other has a nas. Dalalin Baid. Okay. Dalal Baid. Dalal is nakra, Baid is nakra. Dalal is singular, Baid is singular. Dalal is masculine, Baid is masculine. Dalal is with kasra, Baid is kasra. So all the four condition meet. So is murakkabe tawsifi. The next Al-Azizul Al-Hakim. Al-Aziz marfa, Al-Hakim marfa. Al-Azizu Dhamma, Al-Hakimu Dhamma. Al-Azizu singular, Al-Hakimu singular. Al-Azizu proper noun, Al-Hakimu proper noun. So all the four condition meets, so we can say this is a Murakkabe Izaf Tawsifi. Next, Sabarun Shakurun. Look, both are Nakra, both are singular, both are for the masculine, both are having the kasratan below. Let's to revise the questions of the lesson. Am turiduna mean, or do you wish? Su'ila Musa mean, Musa was asked. وَمَنْ يَتَبَدَّلِ الْكُفْرَ بِالْإِيمَانِ فَقَدْ دَلَّ mean, so certainly he went astray. What kind of questions are prevented? That are based on the rebellions, that are based on the obstinance. If one questions Allah or his messengers in 8 wrong ways, then he will be going astray, he loses the faith, he gets rewards, he increases in his belief. The next, barely the people before you were destroyed because they had put too many questions to their prophets. They disagreed with their prophets' teaching. Fi'l amr of Dilla is Dilla. Ism maf'ula farada is Murad. Plural of Sabil is Subul. The first Quran forever is in state of Nasr. Muhammadun Rasulun mean Inna Muhammadun Rasulullah. Al-Mu'minatu Salihatun mean Innal Mu'minata Salihah. Pick the words in Rafa state. Muslimun, Al-Muslim. Pick the words in Nasr state. Muslimina. Example, lakinna is lakinna al-baytu kabira. Add kana to al-baytu kabira, it will become kana al-baytu kabira. Translate into in Arabic, indeed Allah is of forgiving. Inna Allah tawab. Translate into Arabic and then Allah is all hearing. Wa anna Allah samiyun. The 7 homework are known to you, 2 of Tilawah, 2 of study book and vocal cord, and listen to the 1 or concise MP3 recording of QC4. Talk about the course and recite different surahs and salah in prayer. Always remember your children say Rabbi zidni ilma and pray for the course mate or the classmates. Make some effort to make small groups and teach them. Take the material from the understandquranacademy.com. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Subhanak Allahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Allahumma ighfir lana qabla al-maut warhamna inda al-maut wa la tu'azzibna ba'da al-maut wa la tuhasibna yawm al-qiyamah innaka ala kulli shay'in qadir. So with this, we come to the end of our lessons. If you people have any questions, you can ask the question.